Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Fun English. In today's video, we're going to learn about the present perfect continuous tense, made simple, clear and fun. Let's get started. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action that started in the past and is still happening now, or just finished. It focuses on the activity or how long something has been happening. Here's how we build it. Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. For example, I have been studying, she has been working. To make it negative, we say subject plus hasn't or haven't plus been plus verb plus ing. For example, he hasn't been sleeping well, they haven't been coming lately. To ask a question, we say have or has plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus question mark. For example, have you been working? Has she been studying English? We often use these words with the present perfect continuous. For since, lately, recently, all day, and how long. Let's look at some examples. I have been learning English for 2 years. She has been working since this morning. They have been watching TV all afternoon. He has been feeling tired lately. Now, how is this different from the present perfect tense? The present perfect talks about what has happened, or the result. But the present perfect continuous talks about the activity itself, or how long it has been happening. Let's compare with some examples.
I have studied 3 chapters.
I have been studying for 2 hours.
She has cooked dinner.
She has been cooking since 5 p.m.
They have played 2 matches.
They have been playing football all afternoon.
He has read 5 books.
He has been reading that book lately.
You have practiced enough.
You have been practicing piano for hours.
See the difference? One focuses on the action, the other on the result. And that's it. Now you know how to use the present perfect continuous tense like a pro. Keep practicing and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this lesson if it helped you. See you in the next video on Learn Fun English.